Toy Story fans decided to try and solve the mystery of why Andy's dad is never shown in the film. They came up with the idea that Andy Sr. had polio and only Woody, Mr. Potato Head, and Slinky were saved after his diagnosis. Once Andy Jr. was born, he passed his toys down to his son. Andy Sr. then died from post-polio syndrome, and Andy Jr. and his mom actually grew up in Andy's grandparents' house. The thing is, this theory wasn't just made up from thin air. Toy designer and reviewer Mike Mozart told fans the late Joe Ranft, a co-writer on the movie, told him this story. This is not a theory. This is not a conspiracy. This is not fan fiction. This is from one of the lead writers at Pixar that really wrote on this movie that knew the whole story. But Andrew Stanton, another co-writer of the movie, shared the truth on Twitter. Complete and utter fake news. Everyone go back to your homes. Nothing to see here, folks. Hashtag I was there. Sorry for the fans who thought this story may be true, but you'll have to come up with another theory.